already?
Yes.
Okay.
That's either an issue of us.
So what is the system? What happens?
No, it takes time.
Yeah. It will show when they vote. It will show the number. Why don't you tell one of the IT guy can't come here? Yes.
See, the reason why she's on phone is for her to do number. Yes.
So 260 people managed.
They are ready, yes. They are actually logged in. They are only waiting to do the vote. Yes.
The IT team has confirmed that 260 people are actually logged in, are just waiting to vote. Just hold on, they're trying to make sure that everybody's on it.
They make sure their cards are on. If they have removed the card, they can't vote.
It takes time.
It takes a lot of time.
Dindi, I don't know what he wants to say.
Huh?
Dindi.
Okay.
Very much. Thank you very much, Honorable Speaker. Honorable Speaker, I have been to this House several occasions, and most of the time that we actually try to vote digitally, Madam Speaker, it has not been successful. I'm wondering whether it is a coincidence, Madam Speaker, because this House has invested colossal amounts of money in making sure that we are able to vote efficiently and especially digitally. Madam Speaker, we must relook at the entire IT team of this Parliament, Honorable Speaker, so that next time, if there is capacity they need, we capacitate, but we need to be efficient, Madam Speaker, in terms of voting, because I don't think this is a coincidence. This is normal.
Thank you. Thank you. Get there. Okay, this is what will happen. Because we already have over 270 people who are logged in. No, if you have not, okay, log in. Log in. No, log in. I can even see. Don't, just log in and wait. Honorable Badi, I can see your name. I can see your name, or you can move to another table. I can see your Honorable Badi. You can move to the next one and try and do it on the other one. Honorable Badi, I know that trick. You're trying to make sure that we can go and do manual. Okay. Clerk will do that. Okay. All right. We can give it one more try before we resort to another method. So let us all log out. Let us all log out. Let us all log out. Honorable Wandai, let us all log out. And then, has everyone logged out? Okay, let's wait for a few seconds. Yusuf Muhammad, Wajir West, pull out. Okay, all right. Now we can start again. Amos Mwango of Starehe, kindly remove your card. Don't log in until I tell you. Log out. Stay away until I tell you. I will tell you. You can ask for a spare. You can easily ask for a spare card. Honorable Francis Masara, log out. Sunai West. Honorable Musa Sirma, log out. Babu Owino, log out. Okay, now let us, can they proceed? Can now log in. You can now log in. You can now log in. And then wait until I tell you to vote. Log in and wait until I tell you to vote. Log in. Whoever is logging in has logged in. Okay. Yeah, do not vote yet. Just stay logged in. Do not vote yet.
We will wait because they are counting how many are logged in. After they tell us, that's when we now give the rest.
Okay, honorable members, remain logged in, but do not vote yet. Remain logged in, but do not vote yet. Once the IT team has counted the number of people who have logged in, then we shall vote. I will give you the all clear. Honorable Bui, you are out of order, and you will actually end up not voting. So take your seat. You are already logged in. It's okay. That's your problem. Let us proceed.
You can't threaten us, Madam Chair. Why are you threatening us?
We'll vote. We are going to proceed to vote, but wait. We are just waiting for the go-ahead from IT, and then we'll tell you to vote. We shall proceed. Honorable Badi, if you just be a little patient, we are waiting for the all clear if the logging is working. If it's not, of course we will default to the other system. So let's just be patient. Let us be patient. Honorable Wanami, you are out of order. Just be patient. We are trying to check the system. I said in case the system does not work. You can get one from Sergeant at Arms. They can bring you one. But you've read Standing Order 70. You know Standing Order 70. I read Order 70 very clearly. Unless the speaker directs, of course you don't want to vote. Just be patient for 2 more minutes. If it doesn't work and not everyone has logged in, we shall revert to the manual system.
We are obedient, Madam Chair.
Let's wait.